Day of big celebrations for the Telugu Desam. I have with me TDP President Mr. Chandrababu Naidu. Many congratulations. Your predictions did come true. You're going to be now Chief Minister of Simandra, or rather the new state of Andhra Pradesh.
No, thank you. All your predictions went wrong. So many people have predicted, but I am having confidence in people. This is the people's mandate. They know whom they have to vote. Ultimately, justice has won.
You were criticized for your 2-eye policy, as it was called, on Telangana and on the Simandra region, but it does appear that the people of Telangana didn't really punish you. You actually came second.
That is what I am saying. People are with me. From the beginning, for the last 30 years, we are working for Telugu people. And at the same time, Telugu Desam started by N.T. Ramarao Garu, only to protect the rights of Telugu people, Telugu community.
So there is no anger really against you in Telangana region as was being talked about by your opponents?
We should have done better. But unfortunately, we didn't have that confidence, some of our colleagues. That's why we had a problem. Ultimately, I am very clear from the beginning. I am having so much of confidence on Telugu people. I have done so much of work in Telangana. Because of me, there is a surplus budget today. So all these benefits I have to take to the common man. The economic reform benefit has to reach the common man. That is my goal. Unfortunately, for the last 10 years, state suffered, Telugu community suffered, nation suffered. From the beginning, that's why I said very clearly, it is the time. Nation is utmost important.
Mr. Campaigning, saying young and therefore has a long innings, whereas you are 63, 64 and therefore not going to be leading Simandra into the future.
Even Rahul Gandhi said same thing. What happened? We are all, not the age, we are all one age group. We are all experienced. We have proved something. And also we are having a track record, what we have done. What is the track record Rahul Gandhi is having and Jagan is having? They have, as a matter of fact, they are
What happened to Jagan Mohan Reddy's party now? He does face charges also, several charge sheets filed by the CBI.
No, what I am saying, I don't want to comment all these things. Law of the land has to act accordingly. There is no doubt about it. And at the same time, I don't have any feeling on anybody. It is a people's victory. There are so many problems. I have to concentrate on people's problems.
Your Telugu Desam will also be part of the NDA government at the centre.
Yeah, certainly.
What kind of a role do you envisage for yourself and your party at the centre?
No, from the beginning, I am very clear. Nation suffered with corruption and also lack of leadership. All these things led to no good governance, no policy making, all these things. That's why for the last 6 months or 8 months, I was trying to convince people. It is a win-win combination. Telugu Desam and also BJP joined together only in the interest of the nation.
Many people criticize the fact that the minorities are going to go against you and you will lose vote bank.
That's what I'm saying. People are with us. Leaders criticize for political reasons. Ultimately, what you have taken decision is right. That has been proved.
Will probably take a national role as well. What envisaging for your and also has the Telugu Desam also in a sense contributed to the NDA not outside of Andhra Pradesh?
Now you are watching today. Already things are moving positively. That is what we are expecting. And Modi is the best choice for PM. That is what we promoted. Now people endorsed it. There is a lot of agenda. We want to put India on international map. It is possible. We will prove it. At the
But
same
your
time,
adversary is going to be in this, probably in the CM's chair here in Telangana, in Hyderabad. Does that mean you would be looking to actually shift your capital soon out of Hyderabad? What is your plan for that?
no, what I am saying from the beginning, we are for Telugu people. There are some problems some people created. Congress handled very badly.
And
Because
they ended up actually third in Telangana also.
not only that, they have rooted out. Nationwide, Simandra and also Telangana. Always, one should not act with smart. They have acted extra smart. Because of all their misdeeds, people penalize them. It is a reality. Now our responsibility is to serve the people, to build the nation.
One final question. After 10 years out of power, there are lessons learned. What are the biggest lessons that you have learned?
You are going to see in future.